Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add glass break transitions only on CapCut. So in here, I've already imported the videos that I want to edit. And now to add the glass break transition, you can just click on this white box in between the clip and you'll go to the transition option here on CapCut. Now, just swipe until you find this split category, and in here, swipe again, and you'll spot the glass break transition. So, click on that option, adjust on the length of transition. I'm going to go with 1.2 seconds. And if you have more than two clips, you can just click on apply to all if you want. Click on a check icon, and this is the glass break transition. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Thank you.